I just had a free moment and I wanted to take some time to share something about NuFACE that you might not know. So I was using my Trinity Pro. I'm using it all the time. I absolutely love it. Helping with the... Anyway, they recently updated the app, and I think when they changed the app that it causes problems with your pairing. So my device wasn't pairing anymore. Now you can still use it, but what you can't do, that you can only do if you have the app, is you boost the amperage so that it's almost a professional treatment. So that's worth it. And the other thing is you actually change the current into, instead of the muscle lifting, you can turn it into an actual skin treatment. So it increases ATP. Amazing, amazing, amazing results. So it's kind of important. I want access to that. I'm sure you have probably already looked, maybe you Googled a few things. They, turn it off, turn it on, uninstall the app from your phone, reinstall it, or make sure it's updated. But in your app, there is a place where there are tutorial videos, all sorts of things to help you. So I advise that you check that out. I did go online and they have a totally different solution. Place your Trinity into the charging cradle, hold down the power button for 10 seconds. The first and the third LED lights will blink 3 times. Once they stop blinking, you may start your device. So that's totally different than when you're trying to pair it and you're holding it down until it does that, back and forth design. So that was something. So I'll share that one with you. Now, for me, these didn't work. So I wanted to wear the battery out, which is a full system reset, right? So at first, I was just leaving it on the boost. It took a couple days, to be honest, and so I was still using it in the meantime, and then I put the LED on and I just left the LED like going and going. So anyway, once the battery finally was empty and I had uninstalled and reinstalled the app and I charged my device for 10 hours, not a problem. It repaired, no problem. So I just wanted to share that with you. If you have any other secrets that you'd like to share, put them in the comments. Thanks, okay? Wow, have a lovely day.